Knowledge Nest, your home for learning. A is for aunt. Aunt. B is for ball. Ball. C is for candle. Candle. D is for doll. Doll. E is for eyes. Eyes. F is for flamingo. Flamingo. G is for gold. Gold. H is for hat. Hat. I is for ink. Ink. J is for jeep. Jeep. K is for kiwi. Kiwi. L is for loin. Loin. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for owl. Owl. P is for panda. Panda. Q is for quilt. Quilt. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tomato. Tomato. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for watch. Watch. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Z is for zebra. Zebra.